Welcome to Creative World. In this video, we will solve Chapter 2 Learning Assessment E2.21. While solving this problem, we will be using current divider rule. Basic equations of current divider rule for this particular circuit is given here. This equation is for the calculation of current I1 and this one is for I2. Now move towards the problem. Learning Assessment E2.21. Calculate the current I0 in given below figure. This is the circuit diagram of given problem. We have to calculate the value of current I0 in this branch. This circuit includes only two parameters. One is the values of resistances and the other one is the current of current source. And it is asked to calculate the value of current as well. So we can use current divider rule to calculate the value of this current. In order to do that, we should have the value of current in this branch. Right now we don't have any current value in this branch. So first we will calculate the value of current in this branch. Later on we will use current divider rule to calculate the value of current in this branch, labeled as I0. These two resistances are connected in parallel. We can calculate their equivalent resistance. These resistances will be replaced by that equivalent resistance and our circuit will become a simple parallel circuit. Equivalent resistance of these two resistances will be R equivalent equal to the product of these two resistances divided by their sum. Value of equivalent resistance will be 2 kilo ohm. We can replace these resistances with their equivalent resistance having the value of 2 kilo ohm. Now we can implement current divider rule to calculate the current of this branch. Label this branch current as I2 and the current divider rule equation for the calculation of I2 is given here. I2 will be equal to R1 divided by R1 plus R2 multiplied by total current. In this case, the total current is 9 milliampere, R1 will be 12 kilo ohm and R2 will be equal to the sum of these two resistances because these are connected in series. Place the values inside the equation. R1 is 12K, R2 is the sum of these two resistances 4K plus 2K and the total current is 9 milliampere. Solve this equation to calculate the value of I2, that is 6 milliampere. Now this 6 milliampere current is flowing into this branch and the direction of current will be upward because this current is entering on this node and leaving from these two branches. Current of this branch is calculated. Now we will back to our original circuit to calculate the value of I0. Current of this branch along with its direction is indicated in this figure. Here we have to calculate the value of I0 current that is opposite to direction of this current. So in order to change the direction of this current, we will add minus sign with the value of current. Now this minus 6 milliampere is entering to this node and distributing among these two branches. We are interested to calculate the current of this branch. First label the current of this branch as I1. Use the current divider rule to calculate the value of I1. Formula for the calculation of I1 using current divider rule is given here. I1 equal to R2 divided by R1 plus R2 multiplied by total current. In this case, the total current is minus 6 milliampere that is entering to this node and distributing among these two branches. R2 will be 6 kilo ohm and R1 will be 3 kilo ohm. Enter the values into the formula. I1 equal to R2 6 kilo ohm divided by R1 3 kilo ohm plus 6K R2 and multiply by total current that is minus 6 milliampere. Now solve this equation to calculate the value of I1 that is minus 4 milliampere and this I1 is equal to I0. So the value of I0 will be minus 4 milliampere. So this was chapter 2 learning assessment E2.21. Thank you. See you again in next video.